Hello YouTube world, it's been a while, I know, but I'm finally back with another video. Work life has just been so demanding, that's why I didn't really get the chance to make videos. My video today is very exciting. I can tell you that you won't be disappointed. It's really exciting. Anyways, I think since the last time I bought an authentic Chanel, there's been like about 3 price increases. It's mind-blowing. I'm so happy to see and realize that there's a lot of replicas out there that actually is the same as authentic ones. Like, you can't even tell the difference. And funny thing is, like, every time I wear Chanel, I always have this game with my husband, my 2 kids. Like, I would have them guess if it's replica or authentic, and they always get it wrong. Like, they always get my authentic as replicas and my replicas as authentic. So it's kind of sad that I paid a lot of money for those authentic ones and then they think it's replica, but it's because the replicas that are being like produced now are real good, like mirror quality. And yeah, and one thing too, I find myself enjoying using my replicas more because I can be so carefree with them. I still take care of them, but I don't baby them as much as my authentic ones, just because if you think about it, if you paid like thousands and thousands of dollars for a bag, like, you really don't want it to get scratched. But if you paid like a couple hundred, then you'll use it like you use any other bag. So that is a bonus for the replicas, and I really enjoy using them. And on that note, my video today is about another seller of replicas. They actually reached out to me via Instagram. They told me that they watch my videos and they like it, and asked me if I'm okay with reviewing their products. And I was like, fine, like, of course. Like, I can review products, but that doesn't mean that it's gonna be a good, or it's not a guarantee that it's gonna be a good review. I'd review it as it is. So they're sellers of replicas of different designer houses. They have a lot of variety. Like, they have Louis Vuittons, they have Gucci, they have Chanel. So go check their website out. They do have a lot of variety of designer houses. The website is babalabag.com. So it's babalabag.com. I'm gonna put a link down below. And the best thing of all is the price is reasonable, and they have really good quality replicas. Of course, you all know that my favorite designer house is Chanel, so I went for Chanel. And mind you guys, this is I really think this is one of the most beautiful pieces that I've laid my eyes on. And at least when I saw the picture, I was like, oh my god, so pretty. And I didn't really expect it to be that way when I got it in person, but oh boy, did they deliver. Like, it's, oh my god, I can't wait to tell you. But anyways, without further ado, let me get to the product. Okay, so I have to admit, I already opened it. I was just too excited to wait because I know there's no guarantee when I'm gonna be able to make this video. They also come in like the iconic black Chanel box. Like the others, it's magnetic, so I love that. And so this is the dust bag, and the Camilla, I love their Camilla. It's like the old quality Camilla of Chanel, like the better quality Camilla. They used to come out like this. It's like fabric, but Chanel now, they come out with a cardboard Camilla. So I like this one better. And they have the ribbon, and they have the booklet, and they have the it's not really an authenticity card. I don't know, it's just a card that says identification and stuff. And like I said, the booklet. So those are the inclusions. And here you go, guys. So like the Chanel wrapping paper with the sticker, like, looks so real, guys. And it's wrapped in plastic, and it's again protected with this foam thing. And here you go, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Isn't she pretty? This is white iridescent lambskin with light gold hardware. And I haven't really found another seller of replicas that has light gold hardware, because Chanel now does not produce like the yellow gold hardware anymore. They have the light gold hardware like this one. So from afar it would look silver, but if you look closely it has really a gold tint to it. So this is the same thing. So this is the light gold hardware, white iridescent lambskin in white gold hardware. And let me take the sticker off. There you go. And the straps wrapped with another protective wrapping. All right, guys, so this is a stunner. So again, this is like white iridescent lambskin. This is so pretty. It's like out of this world stunner, jaw dropping. When I saw this, like, my husband even said, oh my god, that's so pretty. And he thinks it looks like an original Chanel, like an authentic Chanel. So that's what it looks like inside. And it has the microchip. Oh, what was that? It has the microchip too, right there. So guys, I can't tell you enough. This is so pretty. Oh my god. So what I can say about this is, again, this is so pretty. It's like, again, out of this world pretty. This, like I said, this might be one of the most beautiful pieces that I've laid my eyes on with like Chanel. This is lambskin. It's again light gold hardware. The stitching is on point, like it looks like the original. This definitely is a 10/8 quality, which is a mirror quality. Honestly, with a color like this, when we're talking about authentic Chanels, it's so hard to get your hands on them, because even if you have a good relationship with your SA, they usually cater first to the VVIP, which is a very, very important client. And I am lucky. My SA with Chanel is so nice, and we are tight. That's why I was able to get my hands on hard to get items like this. But guys, so pretty. I'm so excited. I am so excited to use this. Like you saw, packaging is very good. Like they package it really well. It's protected. Shipping usually takes 2 to 3 weeks. Smell, not really. Like it's just the typical leather smell. And again, pricing, guys, is a no-brainer. This is, I think, over $300, and if you get the original, it's like $9 grand, almost $9 grand. This is a medium lambskin, and look at that stunner, guys. I'm so excited. So again, this is the white iridescent lambskin with light gold hardware. It has like a stitching on the flap. Like not all Chanels come with like a stitching here, which I like this too. Most of them does not have it like this. So I had a question in one of my videos, if I usually just, because as it's, you can see in my previous videos, I usually have a lot of caviar, and they are asking me why I don't get lambskin. Well, honestly, caviar is a little sturdier than lambskin, but lambskin is more elegant and sophisticated. So that's the trade-off that you have to make. But I am actually building up my collection with more lambskins now. I do have like authentic lambskins too. This one is also lambskin. And guys, it's not as delicate as we think. Like lambskin is also durable. Especially this, I feel like this feels more of a calfskin lambskin, which is more durable than a regular lambskin. So guys, what do you think? So again, guys, check their website out. It's babalabag.com. And guys, this is so pretty, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to use them. Guys, I'm sorry guys, I'm just so happy with this one. So thank you so much, Monica, for connecting to me. I couldn't imagine I have this in my collection now. I know I remembered when Chanel released a similar color like this. I couldn't get my hands on them just because, like I said, it's so hard to get your hands on crazy beautiful colors like this. So guys, if you're looking to get like a pretty beautiful purse to add into your collection, check this out. I'll put the link of this product below. And guys, I'm telling you guys, don't walk, you gotta run. Get this, okay? All right guys, that's it for tonight, and I'm sorry for the long video, but guys, I'm so happy. All right, have a good day and talk to you soon. Bye. So check the description box, guys. I have their website link, and if you want to check this specific purse out, I also have the link to this product, and they are so kind to give you a discount code, guys. So they have a discount code for my lovely viewers. All right, so check it out down below.